Look at that beauty. Hi, I'm Adri, and today I'm going to share with you how to maximize the use of your ingredients. Today I have an ingredient that I always have a lot of leftovers, and it's banana peels. So I'm going to share with you a recipe that I absolutely love, which is banana peel bacon. Okay, so first step, I clean the bananas very, very well, and I'm going to peel them, take the whole skin if possible. If your bananas are this black, that's totally fine, that's even better. So these, we're gonna keep it on an airtight container, and we're gonna clean our peels. We're gonna remove the white part of the skin. So we're gonna remove it very gently with a spoon. Okay, this is what we're looking for, no white part at all. So for the glaze, we have soy sauce, but you can also use mirin, white miso paste, smoked paprika, salt and garlic powder, and raw honey. Now we're gonna mix it very, very well until well combined. I'm preheating my oven at 375. One thing that is key in this recipe is to have a tray, an oven tray, and a rack. We want the heat to move around it so the banana peels are extra crunchy and delicious. So one more thing is that I have a small medium-sized pan, and I'm heating it up with a little bit of olive oil, and before putting the banana peels in the oven, I'm gonna crisp them up. So we're gonna do 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna flip them. See that they're a little bit golden brown. Banana peels are ready to dry up all the excess oil. I'm gonna start adding the glaze on both sides. Make sure you coat the banana peels with a lot of the glaze. All right, we're ready, and I'm gonna start placing the beautiful bacon on top of our grill. I want to make sure that they don't overlap. Now we're going to cook it in the oven for 4 minutes. Final plate, look at that beauty. I can't wait for you to make this at home.